All right, so check this out. With multimodal live API with Gemini 2.0, it can see your screen. So if you share a screen, and I'm going to share it Premiere Pro here, you can see it appears.
Okay. Okay, I can see your screen. It looks like you are using Adobe Premiere Pro. There is a video on the timeline with some effects applied. Is there anything in particular you'd like me to look at?
Yeah, I need your help because I want to add a blur to the scene. Could you please tell me how to do that?
Sure, I can help you with that. To add a blur effect in Premiere Pro, first select the clip that you want to blur in the timeline. Then, navigate to the effects panel on the left side of the screen, type blur in the search bar, and drag the Gaussian blur effect onto your clip. After that, adjust the amount of blur you want in the Effect Controls panel, which should appear when you select the clip.
Amazing. Have I done it right here?
Okay, I can see you've added the Gaussian blur effect to your clip. The blurriness is set at 75, and it appears to be a horizontal blur. Is that correct?
That's absolutely correct. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
That's all good. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. Have a great day.
That is insane. Absolutely insane how I managed to do that.